Welcome back to Innovin Recipes. Today we are making crispy and flavorful Suji Aloo Puri, a perfect tea time snack or breakfast snack. In a bowl, take half cup suji or semolina. Add half cup water. Mix well. Now keep aside for 5 minutes. Now pour the suji mixture in another bowl. Add 2 boiled and mashed potatoes. Mix well. Resting the suji with water helps it absorb moisture properly. Add half teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon black seed, half teaspoon ajwain, half teaspoon salt, and 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Add half cup flour and mix well to make a soft dough. Potatoes provide energy and potassium. Semolina is rich in iron and protein. Ajwain helps reduce bloating and indigestion. Now take a portion of dough, roll it out. Always roll evenly for puris to puff up well. Homemade puris let you control oil quality. And fry in medium heated oil until puffed and golden. Fry on medium heat. Too hot oil makes them burn, too low keeps them soggy. Suji puri is lighter than regular wheat puri because of semolina. Adding potatoes make the puris extra soft and tasty. Ajwain helps with digestion, especially when eating fried food. This snack is popular across South Asia with many variations. Your crispy Suji Aloo Puri is ready to serve. Serve immediately for the best crispiness. Your crispy golden Suji Aloo Puri is ready to enjoy. Try this recipe and let us know your favorite dip with it. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Recipes.